So SPY below 578 is to the downside, gang. Just be careful because it's bouncing around. This is the same spot it bounced last time.
That's their break
There
candle
it
off of that
goes.
level.
Yep, there it goes. Look at the volume come in off that buy. You see that? Double bottom bounce?
Yeah.
Stop. Save my ass, coach.
Yep. That's dangerous at 578.
Coach, these options are bouncing wildly. I had my order way up there and it was all playing like 20% less, and something reached up, grabbed it, and I cashed in.
Yeah, good. That's gamma. So you're going to get a lot of gamma movement, right?
Yep.
Or implied volatility is going to move a lot. So be careful. SPY again, 578. Watching for that. And Nvidia sitting right on VWAP right now on the 2-minute. Let's see. Apple. Starting to move to the upside. You guys are in an EWO to the upside, but it is choppy. Check out some of the guidance that you're getting from David. Make sure you guys are listening to him over there in the 2-minute EWO. He lives and breathes in Apple. He is the Apple Whisperer. Okay, there's that bounce off 578 on SPY. Again, double bottom area. Huge support.
Forming the head and shoulders now.
Yep. I see Ange over there getting it done. Doug over there getting it done. All the moderators. Yeah, our futures moderators over there just printing. Steve's over there in futures. Nice. William. Matt. Who'd I miss?
I
Vanessa.
see Bobby and I see Sally and
Yep.
I see dead people.
Christine, I see you're kicking butt again. I like to see that.
Thank you. I'm trying.
SPY off this big bounce again. 578 is the floor so far. So far, that is the floor. No, futures is not the same as Forex. SPY getting that move. Like I said, I can long this above 580, but don't do it early. You hear me? Wait for the break and hold of 580. And don't forget, you got that 200 staring at you once you break 580. But you do have about $1 move if you can get the break and hold of 580. But don't you dare. Don't you dare. Just try to get in that early, okay? This is all to the downside today, at least so far for SPY, okay? Do you hear the sound of my voice? NVIDIA coming up on a double top. Remember, I said I want to see that above 115.50. 115.50 is what we're looking for, the break and hold for NVIDIA to the upside on 115.50. There goes SPY again, respecting the 21 off of this one on this pull. Now, this is going to be the third time this has come down to 578. The more times this touches, the more likely it is to pop. So the more times we get down to 578, the more cautious I am if I think it's going to pop to the upside. So you guys know how you've been buying calls on support at 578? I would stop doing that right now. Do you hear the sound of my voice? I would not be buying calls at 578. Now I would look for a flush of 578. Just because it's getting more and more dangerous the more times this touches, right? Checking my L2. Yeah, this wants to flush. There goes payday. Do you see why we would not buy calls that time, ladies and gentlemen, versus before we would have? Now we are into the downside. Nice job.